Hey, gold traders, just one question, guys. Have you ever asked yourself why gold chart moves the way it moves? 1 minute it is shooting up, skyrocketing up, and the next minute it is crashing down. Have you ever asked yourself why it is like that, guys? Now, there's factors that make gold to move the way it moves, guys. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining and demystifying why this is so. All right, if you are watching me for the first time, my name is Success Honor. I'm a forex trader, and I want to help forex traders maximize the potential in this market, answering every forex question you can ever think of as you come across my videos, guys. If this is what you want to watch, if this is what you like, I want you to smash the like button, subscribe, like this video, and let's go, guys. Now, there are just three simple reasons why. Three simple reasons, damn simple, guys, why gold market will want to push up and why gold market will just want to crash down. All right, I'm just going to be taking them in no order, just three. And if you understand this, guys, gold will no longer be an issue for you. Number one, you have to understand that gold is priced in US dollar. Yeah. What that means is that the US dollar has a high impact on gold, right? Now, when US dollar is weak, when the US dollar is weak, all right, gold will push up. Gold will be happy, gold will be gyrating and pushing up, right? That is when the US dollar is weak. But when the US dollar is strong, guess what? Gold will be crying. Gold will be crying for his life. Gold will be crashing. Gold will be pushing down. Do you understand? See, someone is suffocating and pressing it. All right. So uh that is for the US dollar. It has a very high impact on gold, right? So you want to go to your chart now and check the dollar index. If the dollar index is weak now, if the dollar index is pushing down now, you will discover that gold is pushing up. And if the dollar index is strong now, you will just discover that like you are seeing on my screen, you will discover that gold is dropping. All right. So yeah. That is number one. I hope this is comprehensive enough. Just always understand that gold is priced in USD. And then number two will be inflation and interest rates. When there's a high price in goods and services consistently like that and it is going, what investors do is that they pull out their money and then pushing it into gold, right? Because at that time, money is losing its value. So, what do you expect as an investor, as a businessman? You want to safeguard your money, you want to keep your money, you don't want to, put it into something that will not bring in any result, right? So, you want to put it into gold, and then, yeah, and then gold is just pushing up and rising like that. And then, of course, interest rates when the economy is doing nice and there's interest rates and all that in the country, what investors want to do is to put it in bank. All right, want to put it in banks, want to buy shares, want to put it into company, want to invest into it and put it in the economy. Why? Because the country is doing well, and then gold will just be crying for its life, and then just be pushing down like that, like that. So either ways, when there's an inflation, gold will rise. When there is interest rate, gold will drop. All right. And then number three, as we go, guys, is fear and safety. Fear and safety. Sorry, guys. Someone right here will just be asking. All right. Someone right here will just be like, fear and safety. What do you mean? Now we live in a dangerous world. All right, where you hear war every now and then. You hear of crisis. You hear of economic depression. You hear of bombing here and there, this and that. You hear of diseases of all kinds. Now, when the world is unstable, all right, like that, anything can happen. So fear steps in, and then investors will be like, I don't know what's going to happen next. This economy might just wanna, play with my investment and all that. So what do they want to do? They want to, pull out their investment from these companies and then put it into gold. Do you understand? When there is war like this, I remember one virus of a thing. I don't want to mention the name as it is. One virus of a thing at the time when it was spreading across Nigeria and across the globe. That should be around 2020, 2022 thereabout. So many forex traders made a whole lot of money from that virus, from that disease. All right. So when there's a breakout of disease like this and all that, and then there's no going out, businesses are closed. There's no businesses here and there operating and all that. Why keep your money dormant? So that is why gold is called a safe haven. That is where that name is called from. It is called safe haven. When the country is unstable, the world is shaking, you want to put your money in gold, right? So that is how to approach gold, guys. Check what is going on around the world. If there's instability, you want to be sure that gold is going to push up, guys. It's going to push up, all right? And then I'm just going to be dropping this and that for you why gold might still want to rise. But these are just the three main reasons, guys. And if you want to see gold push here and there, that will be economic news data, all right? This pushes the market up and down. All right. Yes. CPI, we are talking about FOMC, NFP, those high impact news, guys, can impact. Yeah. So, guys, gold has news rather, all right? News. This economic news data has a high impact on gold, all right? One candle spiking as a result of news can change the whole direction of the week for gold, right? Is that powerful? And then we have, central bank, huge banks, big money players can push the market wherever they want to. They can just wake up today and say, "Oh, gold, you are rising. I want to push you down," and then they can just put in a whole lot of, we are talking about millions and billions and trillions of dollars, guys, and then they can push it wherever it goes. And then we retail traders, what we do is just to align with the chart where they are pushing it. We just want to, align with them, and then we flow with the trend of the market as they are pushing it, guys. So very, very important, guys. Three most important why gold rises and falls. Don't ever forget this. You want to check your dollar index. US dollar is priced in gold. You want to always understand that when the US dollar is weak, gold is gyrating, is rejoicing, is pushing high. That is why gold is pushing high. You want to run to your dollar index and find out, is this true? It is true, guys. When the dollar index is strong, gold is crying for his life, is pushing down, is dropping, guys. That is what it is. And then number two will be inflation and interest rate, guys. Interest rate, inflation. Investors will be pulling their money and put it in gold when there's inflation. And then war, fear, safety, disease, economic depression, uncertainties in the world, gold will be doing fine, guys. Gold will just be doing fine. And when that all is over, gold will come back to its normal senses. When as that is done and said, guys, if you get value from this video, guys, I want you to like, share, subscribe, guys. And man, just support this channel. I want to grow this channel and bringing in value here and here out, guys. I love you guys. Drop your comment. Are you a gold trader? What are your greatest lessons you found in gold? And I will catch you in my next one. Peace out, guys.